welcome back to my channel. So today is Tuesday. Super thankful because we missed the storm. So thankful for that. We just have some wind going on. The only thing that happened back here was this. I had to tie this here, my pencil, my fire sticks on fire, because it bent over. The wind, it's top heavy, so the wind coming from that direction pushed it down. Also, the other one over here, the pencil cactus, same problem. I had to tie them down so that they wouldn't topple over. So I had to fix that, make it look better, but not right now. So right now what I'm going to do is to clean the greenhouse. That's the only issues that I've seen so far. Nothing else. So very fortunate. I gotta trim that palm hanging down, and that's about it. I can't be more than happy with how everything has gone. So thankful, you know. So all I have to do right now is just organize and clean the greenhouse. I only lost the panel, which I need to see where that went. And I think that's about it. I just gotta clean in here, and then hopefully be able to move everything back in here. And that's what I'm gonna be working on now. I will check in with you guys later. I'm done with the greenhouse. Everything's back in place, and I have lots of plants to plant, but they're gonna stay like that for now. But yeah, everything is back in place. The only thing I have to put back is the fan, and that's about it. So now I'm gonna focus in little by little. I don't think I can do all this today because I have other things that I gotta do, but I'm gonna focus at least in fixing this area, cleaning it up. So I'm gonna take advantage that there's no big pots here and just clean all that up as much as I can, and then start moving my pots that I placed in the front porch back here. And yeah, that's about it, guys. That's what I'm gonna be doing, and I'll check back with you guys when I'm done doing that. It's been a long morning, but I got it done. I pulled whatever pots I had left here and was able to clean out all the rock. I don't know why I did that, because it's still windy and I know that we're gonna get some more rain, but it was just to make myself happy so that when I look at it today, it does look clean and I feel, you know, very accomplished. So everything is clean. I did move some plants to new places to see how they do. I took this one, was originally here, but those big Echerias were still struggling there, so I moved them over here. So we'll see how that does. This I had to repair. Between the sun and rain, little by little, this rope had rotten and it just broke. One side only broke, thankfully, so I was able to repair that today. And what else? This one is a new arrangement that I had made, but I put it there, see how it does. So most of all these plants were here. What else? Over here, everything also the same. I'm gonna pull that cactus out because the part that's laying down, it's slowly getting messed up, you know, because it's just laying in soil. So I have to pull that out and decide whether I'm gonna keep it or not. Pretty much everything is the same here as well. The basket I moved over here, see how it does there. We'll see. This was on the other side. I just ran out of room over there, so I moved it over here. We'll see how that does. These two pencil cactuses, I'm gonna remove one and leave the other. So I'm gonna put it in another planter, but I'm not gonna do that today because I'm tired. I'm gonna see if I can fix that rope and tighten it up a little bit more. This was on the other side over there, so I moved it over here because it was in the front for now, in the front porch. We'll see how that does. These two round pots were over here on the other side as well, on top of the table. They were not doing well, so let's just see how they do over here. And then this one was in the back over there, was doing really well, but she's so pretty. She's hidden back there. Let's see how she does over here. This one was also back there. It wasn't doing as well, so we'll see if she does better over here. This ghost plant is the same plant that's here, so you figure, right? It's doing well there, should do well here. So let's give it a try. That Kalanchoe was over here in the corner. Moved it over here. It's a little stretchy, I believe. The leaves are longer than when I first got it, so we'll see if she gets enough sun over here. This one was also back here, was doing well, but I brought it to the front, see how she does. Hopefully I will be able to monitor it and not forget about it. This plant over here was one that I rescued a long time ago, and it was looking good, but the rope, I used jute. I don't recommend that. It slowly rotted and broke. The whole thing was flat on the ground, but it was probably because of the wind, and it was before the hurricane. When I was getting ready for the hurricane, that's when I found it on the ground. Right there. Don't know, how that's gonna do. Other than that, everything back here is the same. Took a lot of work, but I'm happy. It looks super clean. Makes me happy to see it clean. So yeah, all that's doing well. Back here, didn't do much, only the greenhouse. I didn't pick up the debris yet because, well, I need to wait anyways because they won't pick it up yet. So, I'll pick it up another day. Also, my husband has to still trim some of the palms, so I'm going to wait for that. I moved these Kalanchoes over here because the babies keep falling on the rock and growing on the rock. So I don't want that. On here, I don't mind if they grow here. Doesn't bother me. I'll pull them out and put them into pots slowly. The bigger they get, then I'll probably pick them up and put them in a pot. These I moved back to where they were. Over here, I'm going to try this table out. I don't know how much. I don't think it gets afternoon sun, but I'm not going to forget to check on it. I will come out here later on, but I don't think so. To me, it makes a lot of sense that it doesn't because the sun will be over there, and I do have this palm tree and trees around it, so hopefully the plants will do well. But I'll still check on it around 2 o'clock. I'll come out here. Today is a gloomy day, so I have to keep that in mind. Friday is supposed to be a full sunny day, so I'll be watching this, keeping a close eye on it on Friday. Moved some plants over here as well, a bunch of little pots that I had scattered that are struggling. Moved them over here because the plants that were here were doing very well, so hopefully those do well. Look at that beauty. Look at that eye candy, so beautiful. A bunch of leaves that fell here are propagating like super well on their own. I'm not doing nothing to them, and they're doing so well, so that makes me very happy. So that's about it, guys. I hope I didn't make you dizzy right there. So hopefully, as the days go by, that's trash that I need to pick up. As the days go by, I will be coming out here slowly and picking up, and or maybe I'll pick a whole day so that I can record the process of how I'm gonna, clean these up. Like I said, I'm looking forward to fall. We're almost there. To just start doing some new arrangement and just cleaning this out and organizing it better. And yeah. Oh, I gotta move that pot right back here because it was doing really well there. Also, I might cut those because they got really long. But if I cut it, I'll need to put the pot for a few days in the greenhouse, which is fine. I have some room on the floor. But yeah, everything is looking really good in the greenhouse. Oh, I have to put the fan on, so I gotta do that. I gotta remind myself to do that. But look, everything's doing super well right now. Everything, I like how I set up. This is just temporary. These are plants that I need to do something with. These as well. So yeah, that's why they're there. But anyways, like I told you guys before, little by little I'll be taking out my most common plants and using them in regular arrangements, so I can have more room for more delicate succulents in the greenhouse. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Bye, guys.